Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default font in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So make sure you're underneath the Home tab up at the top. And then you want to select the little icon next to the font where it will open up the font dialog box launcher. So go ahead and left click on that. So at this point, select whatever font you want to make as default, as well as the font style and size. And then you will select this Set as Default button down here to make it official. And then you would select OK, and then that should save it. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.